Here's the app called Gymverse, Gym Workout Planner. So you can just tap Get and install it. Quite popular app, 155,000 ratings so far and much more coming. So perfect workout plans for every goal. Pick your target area, set your workout frequency and duration. Gymverse workout app, optimize your workout result at the gym and at home. Build muscle and lose weight with a custom workout routine for your fitness goal and body type. #1 rated gym workout app, guided gym and home workout plans. Smart Trainer acts as your personal gym coach. Automatic weight optimization, workout and exercise tracking, most effective gym and home workouts. Multiple workouts for your fitness goals. So yeah, all of these details. And all of these exercises have really nice high resolution videos of each training and over 300 exercises in their library. So quite popular app, 4.8 average rating, which is quite an achievement for this kind of number of ratings. So then you can just select your goals. And then you can just start from here. And then there are 23 questions in here. A lot of these questions. Some people don't like this onboarding. And then you just have it like that. You can add it. You can add your weight and height. And then you can just proceed from here. And that's the idea. So then you can just build your plan and let's see what their pricing options are. So then you can just continue. Start your free trial. And then there are more plans. Monthly $20, lifetime $120. Lifetime options seems quite good, to be honest, if you plan to use this app a lot. So quite a good lifetime deal. Start your 7-day free trial, then $70 a year. $70 a year also good. Got a 7-day free pass, and they also have quite nice 7-day free trial without any card information. So then basically here you just have it like this. You have your workout, and then also you have exercises. Then also you have library, the whole library. Then you have your progress, and then you have settings, sounds, units, like all of this. And then here's your workout, start workout. Then you just select, okay, how many reps? I did like 10 reps. Did it. And then that's how you do it for each exercise. Then you just do it dumbbell bench press. You just tap start exercise, 12 kilograms, and then just did reps, and then rest 1 minute 30 seconds. So this is kind of the, and then you can just skip it. You can edit it, and then you can just tap to skip, and then you have another exercise. So that's how you kind of progress with your workout. Really nice graphics. Then you have filters. You can select all the exercises you want. It automatically suggests exercises for you. And then you have your plan. You can have custom workout. So really nicely done, really easy to use design and interface. A lot of these really cool exercises, and then you can see your progress. So yeah, that's the idea.